Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix automatic change format in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening your Excel workbook. Now select the cells and right click on your mouse. Select Format Cell. If you want to preserve a specific format, consider formatting the cell as text. This will prevent Excel from attempting to change the format. Click on text and click OK. So there you have it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.